Requirements engineering refers to the process of defining, documenting and maintaining requirements to the subfields of systems engineering and software engineering concerned with this process. The first use of the term, requirements engineering, was probably in 1979 in a TRW technical report but did not come into general use until the 1990s. With the publication of an IEEE Computer Society tutorial and the establishment of a conference series on requirements engineering that has evolved into the current International Requirements Engineering Conference. In the waterfall model, requirements engineering is presented as the first phase of the development process. Later software development methods, including the rational unified process, extreme programming and Scrum, assume that requirements engineering continues through the lifetime of a system. Alan M. Davis maintains an extensive bibliography of requirements engineering. Requirement management, which is a sub-function of systems engineering practices, are also indexed in the INCOSE manuals. Requirements engineering activities. The activities involved in requirements engineering vary widely, depending on the type of system being developed and the specific practices of the organization involved. These may include requirements inception or requirement solicitation, requirements identification, identifying new requirements, requirements analysis and negotiation, checking requirements and resolving stakeholder conflicts, requirements specification, documenting the requirements in a requirements document, systems modeling, deriving models of the system, often using a notation such as the Unified Modeling Language, requirements validation, checking that the documented requirements and models are consistent and meet stakeholder needs, requirements management, managing changes to the requirements as the system is developed and put into use. These are sometimes presented as chronological stages, although, in practice, there is considerable interleaving of these activities. Problems. Requirements engineering is a difficult process having to deal with interdisciplinary issues and uncertainty. The most important problems experienced by practitioners are incomplete, hidden requirements, moving targets, time boxing, not separating requirements from known solutions, underspecified requirements, communication flaws with the customer, inconsistent requirements, communication flaws inside the team, missing traceability, gold plating, criticism. Some recent research suggests that software requirements are often an illusion, misrepresenting design decisions as requirements in situations where no real requirements are evident.